Hello everyone, have a special video for you. If you're struggling to fall asleep and all that, don't fall for the hype of all this cocoa products out there. They're expensive. Well, this method that I'm going to show you is also a little bit expensive, but all the ingredients, you can buy them and mix them all together, and you can have several batches for around $35. So I'm just going to show you. It's a famous one. I can't say the name and everything, but you know, the one that is R, starts with an R and ends with the E. So I actually have it here on my right, but I can't say it or show it. So it's a hot cocoa that is viral. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. All you have to do is get the ingredients from the website and read the ingredients on it. Okay, so the ingredients of this particular one, it is baking, cocoa. If you can get a better one than this, I just bought it at the grocery store. So cocoa powder, reishi mushroom. You can put lion's mane. I also have lion's mane, but I'm not going to put it today. And then this is MCT coconut creamer. This particular one has mocha, but you can just buy the regular one because there'll be too much chocolate. I just didn't think of that. But I bought this at the grocery store. You can buy it on, it's cheaper at the grocery store. I bought it in my local Harris Theater here. And also called for chicory root, that I have it in my car. So equal parts of all this, okay? So also calls for, what's the other ingredient? I don't want to put it in. Okay, zinc. So I have zinc capsules right here. It also calls for L-theanine, also 200 milligrams of L-theanine, so 200 milligrams per serving. So the serving is 1 tablespoon and it has 20 servings. So you can figure it out at 200. These are L-theanine, 250. So just do the math. So it'll be 200 milligrams per every tablespoon. So just kind of do the math right here of 250. And then the zinc is pretty much, let me see how much zinc it is. Zinc is 60 milligrams. And this is, of this zinc is 100 milligrams. I'm sorry, 50 milligrams of the zinc ones. So just kind of do the math for every serving, okay? And if you have the capsules, all you have to do is grind the capsules in a coffee grinder. You can do that too. So the ingredients are cocoa powder, reishi mushrooms, the coconut creamer, and the L-theanine, and the zinc, and the chicory root, which I have it. I forgot to bring it from the car, but half a cup of that. So, I'm sorry. So, here it is. The ingredients. Half a cup of the cocoa, half a cup of the reishi mushroom, and you're going to sift it, okay? Half a cup of the creamer. I would like to prefer to get the regular one, not the, okay, half a cup. You're going to sift it all out. Those are the 3 things that you're going to... And then the chicory root. I use 1/4 cup of that. I just don't have it here with me. I have to go get it from the car. Okay, kind of sift it all up. Okay, this product has melatonin. Let's talk about melatonin. Melatonin, it's not natural. So it's it comes from animals. So you want to be careful with melatonin. That product that I'm talking about, I cannot say the name, has a lot of melatonin. And a lot of people are very sensitive to melatonin. So if you like, you can put some melatonin, but in lower doses. So just figure it out. This one has, let me see, how much melatonin does it have? Okay, 10. Wow, that's a lot. That's 10 grams per serving. That's a lot of melatonin. So I wouldn't put that much. So the 10 milligrams of melatonin is a lot. I will put just maybe 2 or 3. Let me see. Does it have coconut milk powder, chicory root, cacao powder? Okay, yeah. Make sure the melatonin is right. I don't think they list it here. Glycine also has glycine. I didn't put any of that. Organic reishi. Okay, here it is. I'm sorry. 3 milligrams. Okay, so 3 milligrams per serving. That's a lot because it calls for 1 tablespoon of this for the hot chocolate every night. So that's a lot. 3. I would just go to like 1 milligram of melatonin if you prefer to do that. So that's what puts you to sleep in a sense. Okay, 3 milligrams per serving. So they put a lot of, if it's 20 servings, just do the math. How much melatonin is in that powder? Because it's a 20 serving. It's an 8-ounce bag. So yeah, just do the math. That's a lot. So if you choose, then use the melatonin. If you have the pill form, then the tablet, you're going to grind it. I would do 1 milligram per serving. So, and that's a little bit too much. I will lessen that. Let me see. Let me do my math in my head. It's 20. That would be 20 capsules of melatonin. That's a lot. I will put just probably 8 capsules of melatonin in this particular batch. So it's just me. Just do the math. You learn as you go. I've been doing this for years. That I buy a product that I like, and I recreate it. I don't keep on buying it because all this costs me maybe $30, but I will take a lot of, I will do a lot of batches of this, about maybe 3 for $30. So it's you save money like this. Okay, so put all the ingredients, open the capsules and put it in there, sift it. Okay, this is a product that I bought. It's excellent. It's green oat extract. Okay, and if you get it on Amazon, this is excellent. So I'm going to add, let me see how many milligrams of this is. I will add, so this calls for 1 tablet every day. So I will put, you can even put 30 of these in here. Just grind it in a coffee grinder and add it there. It calls for 1 a day. That way you have it in the hot cocoa every day. Excellent product right here. It produces dopamine. So this is a good product. I bought it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So this is how you do it. What else does it have? Let me just read the ingredients. That's it. So you're going to sift everything together. Okay. All right. So I'm not going to do it on camera, but I'm going to grind this. I'm going to, put it, and then I'm going to open the capsules, put it in here. And I'm going to bring my chicory. Chicory root is a black, it's like alternative to coffee. We used to use it a lot. You can even buy it. It's called Roma coffee. You can even buy that, the Roma coffee, or I think Prego is the other one that you can get online. You can just get that alternative coffee and just put it in here instead of buying the chicory root. So you can do that too. So that's what I do. And you drink a cup of this. I put soy milk and I put a little bit of honey at night. And like I said, that's too much melatonin on this product. That's why it made me, I bought it just because I wanted to just try it out. I like to try things out. It gave me a headache for like 1.5 days. So it's not your average. I don't think it's 3 milligrams of melatonin. I think it's a little bit more in the 10 or 5 or 10, maybe 5. I don't think it's too much. I can, my body's sensitive to melatonin. I can only do like maybe 3. But if you go into the 5 or the 10 now that they're coming out with, that's a little bit too much. Okay, so you're gonna do that. And that's it. And you mix it all together. Sorry, trying to do this with my phone. So you mix it all together, open the capsules, and just mix it all together. And you're ready to go. So you use one of these tablespoons in your hot chocolate every night. This is excellent. You will love this. You will love this. It will give you a sense in the morning of wellness. So, all right. So I wanted to just make this video. I have a lot of videos of recipes, you know, tinctures that I've done. This is the one that I just did. I did valerian root the other day. So I'm going to put that out, some of these videos on how to make all this stuff. So I just, you know, want to put this video there. Have a great day.